Hi, we are Project Kratos from BITS Pilani Goa campus. This is the second time we are participating in IRC, and we are proud to present our rover Kratos Mark II. Our team consists of 70 members from all academic backgrounds working towards bringing Kratos Mark II to life. The team is divided into 6 subsystems: mechanical, controls, power, communications, autonomous, and life detection.
The mechanical subsystem works on design, analysis, manufacturing, and complete assembly of the chassis, arm, drive, and the life detection systems of the rover. The redesigned chassis will be made by welding aluminum sections and will be more compact than the previous iteration. A separate arm mount in front for the easy assembly. A separate electronics box is made for storage and easy accessibility to all the onboard electronics components. For the drive system of the rover, we have designed a more robust double lambda rocker working system with a differential averaging mechanism, helping the rover to travel through challenging terrain. This year, we have also moved averaging towards the back of the rover to provide more stability, also helping an easy access to the electronics box. We are using a 6-wheel differential drive mechanism for the rover. The 3D printed wheels are designed to keep the weight minimum, at the same time refining shock absorbance of the wheel. For better traction, grousers are directly printed with the wheel. We have optimized the wheel design for faster assembly and providing protection to the drive motors. The 5 degree of freedom robotic arm is made of carbon fiber tubes, reducing weight from the previous iteration while conserving strength. For base rotation of the arm, new spur gear mechanism is designed to increase stability and robustness. The gripper jaws are controlled by 4-bar linkage mechanism, and for its roll and pitch motion, differential bevel gear mechanism is used.
Our 5 degree of freedom arm is controlled by 2 linear actuators and uses inverse kinematics in ROS with a closed loop feedback system optimized for high precision and accurate execution. We use a Jetson Xavier as the primary onboard computer and have shifted from Atmega 328P to STM32F1 as a primary microcontroller. The rover can be manually teleoperated from joystick commands sent to the microcontroller over ROS serial. After computing differential drive wheel velocities, we use serial communication between the microcontroller and motor drivers.
The autonomous subsystem is dedicated towards autonomous traversal of the rover and is focusing on the detection of arrows and an orange traffic cone. After testing several image processing and neural network based methods for the real-time detection of arrows, the YOLO algorithm for object detection and classification was chosen. We annotated and augmented a custom dataset of 1100 plus arrow images to train YOLO v3. Darknet ROS is being used to deploy the model on ROS. 4-point perspective transform, contour extraction and filtering were done using the OpenCV library to determine the arrow direction from the cropped arrow which is localized by YOLO. The orange traffic cone is being detected using pixel-wise color thresholding. A custom visual servoing algorithm ensures that the rover follows the arrow. The entire task was simulated on a minibot and finally on the rover.
The power subsystem is responsible for powering the entire rover, and we use LiPo batteries for the same. PCBs have been designed and manufactured to power onboard components. The current fed to the equipments is capped at a safe threshold using sensors. A BMS is designed to monitor the state of charge and enable balancing of the individual cells using techniques such as Coulomb count and Kalman filters. We use an emergency kill switch to shut down the rover immediately.
For communication between the rover and the base station, we are using 2 Rocket M2 radios with an omnidirectional antenna on the rover and a sector antenna on the base station that gives a coverage area of 120 degrees. We are employing a video compression algorithm using OpenCV that enables us to launch multiple camera feeds from the onboard camera simultaneously with minimal latency.
Live detection about Kratos is divided into 3 parts: the soil collection and biomolecular analysis system, image analysis of rocks and soil organic content, and environmental sensors. The soil collection is done using a ratchet wheel mechanism. It is then deposited into 3 different compartments, ensuring zero cross-contamination. Peristaltic pumps are used to deliver solutions to the samples following the strict no-spill policy to perform the biochemical tests. The Bradford test for proteins and Suran test for lipids are used to determine if life is extant or extinct in the soil sample. The soil organic content analysis is conducted using a pre-trained regression model that captures the image and estimates the organic content present with reference to a Munsell chart. The rock analysis is done using the IPU or the image processing unit. A CNN model is used to classify the rocks along with a green and red LED spectrometer with specific wavelengths that can image any living colonies present on the rock surface. A suite of onboard sensors for soil moisture and temperature, atmospheric humidity, temperature, pressure, carbon dioxide, and other gases are key to performing habitability analysis along with the soil images.
For educational outreach, we annually conduct an open to all 8-week summer technical project. The project also acts as our mode of recruitment for new team members.
We are currently working on making our rover reliable, modular, and lighter. This has all been possible due to hard work of the team and support of our seniors and professors. We hope to see you at IRC 22.